Good morning, children. Um, so I just hope you all are doing your work. You all are working very hard toward your studies, and then now your half yearly examination are very near to you. So, children, it's very important for you all to work very hard. So, children, in social studies, in social studies, we are discussing the chapter civics, the book civics. We are discussing about the book civics, and in book civics, the four chapters are completed. We have started the chapter 5, Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj is all about the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Almost the things we have discussed. So now this chapter is over. So now in this video I am going to discuss with you the NCERT question answer. As you are very small, so please write down the question answer while watching this video so that there should be uniformity. I don't want that anybody's so while watching this video, whatever the question answer of NCERT are discussed over here, you will be able to write everyone. There should be the same answer for everyone. सभी के आंसर सेम होने चाहिए. Write down the answer. Okay, I hope the date is properly visible to you all. The chapter name is chapter 5, Panchayati Raj. Okay, so in this chapter, children, Panchayati Raj, I have discussed with you about the Gram Sabha, what is Gram Sabha, what is Gram Panchayat, and today in this video I am discussing about the NCERT question answer. So write down the question answer. So question number 1 is, what problem did the villagers in Hardas village face? What did they do to solve this problem? Very easy question. The whole chapter is all about this one. इस पूरे चैप्टर में हमने यही तो डिस्कस किया है. देयर वॉज अ डिस्कशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द विलेजर्स ऑफ द हरदास. हरदास इज़ अ नेम ऑफ ए विलेज, और हरदास के विलेज में, हरदास विलेज में जो विलेजर्स थे उनको जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, देयर वॉज अ प्रॉब्लम, दैट वॉज द प्रॉब्लम वॉज डिस्कस्ड इन द होल चैप्टर. इस पूरे चैप्टर में हरदास विलेज के जो विलेजर्स हैं उनको जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी उनकी डिस्कशन हुई. And that was the same discussion which was held in the meeting of the Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha. And you all know what are the problems. There is a problem of the water shortage. They are facing a lot of water shortage problem. They are facing the problem of roads. And then they were also facing the problem of there are so many people in the villages who come under the below poverty line, BPL. ठीक है. सो मेनली द प्रॉब्लम विच दे आर फेसिंग इज़ द वाटर शॉर्टेज. पानी की जो कमी थी वहाँ पे बहुत ही, ये प्रॉब्लम जो थी बहुत ही एक्यूट थी. सो एवरीबडी राइट डाउन, आई थिंक यू कैन राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द बुक ऑल्सो. सो जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग डाउन द आंसर्स ओवर हियर. ओके, क्वेश्चन 1. Again, children, I am repeating the question. The question number 1 is, what problem did the villagers in Hardas village face? कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है जो कि विलेजर्स फेस कर रहे थे, एंड उन्होंने क्या किया? व्हाट डिड दे डू टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम? उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए उन लोगों ने क्या किया? आंसर लिखेंगे, द विलेजर्स इन द हरदास विलेज villagers in the Hardas village villagers in the Hardas village face the problem of drinking water shortage. जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू कि उनको वाटर शॉर्टेज की प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. They did the following tasks to solve this problem. They did the following tasks to solve this problem. Please note it down. The villagers in the Hardas village faced the problem of drinking water shortage. They did the following tasks to solve this problem. So now you have to list it down what they had done. उन्होंने क्या क्या किया उस प्रॉब्लम से निकलने के लिए. सबसे पहला they deepened the two hand pumps. टू हैंड पम्प्स को डीप किया और किया. फर्स्ट वन क्या है, they deepened the two hand pumps. Okay. Second, they cleaned one well. They cleaned. I hope the board visible है, and what I am writing it is also very clear to you all children. They deepened the two hand pump. They cleaned one well. See point. This short information about the short information about the skim of watershed development from the Block Development Office. From the Block Development Office. So there are total 3 points. Okay. I hope everything is clear. The villagers in the Hardas village faced the problem of drinking water shortage. They did the following tasks to solve this problem. Firstly, they deepened the two hand pumps. Second, they cleaned one well. Third, they short information about the scheme of watershed development from the Block Development Officer. Okay. So the question number 1 is discussed. Okay. I just took up the India. Now moving to the second question. Second question is, it is something asking for your opinion. Okay. So, what in your opinion is the importance of ग्राम सभा? ग्राम सभा की क्या वैल्यू है, क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है आपके व्यू पॉइंट में? एंड डू यू थिंक ऑल मेंबर्स शुड अटेंड द ग्राम सभा मीटिंग? आपको क्या लगता है कि ग्राम सभा की जो मीटिंग है सभी को अटेंड करना चाहिए? वाई? ओके, So now moving to the next question, children. So one question I had discussed with you from the chapter Panchayati Raj. Moving to the next question. Question number 2 is such a long question, so I am skipping toward to the third question. So the first question answer I had given to you. फर्स्ट का जो आंसर है मैंने आप सभी से डिस्कस कर लिया. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड आप सभी से डिस्कस करूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. So question number third is, what is the link between a Gram Sabha and a Gram Panchayat? I have not written the first question. Please note it down that first question from the book. I am writing down the third question so that आपको confusion ना हो कि किसका आंसर आपको पढ़ रहे हो. ठीक है. What is the link between a Gram Sabha and a Gram Panchayat? What is the link between a Gram Sabha and a Gram Panchayat? What is the link between a Gram Sabha and a Gram Panchayat? ग्राम सभा और ग्राम पंचायत में क्या कनेक्शन है? व्हाट इज द लिंक बिटवीन? सो राइट डाउन द पॉइंट्स. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज ग्राम सभा वर्क्स ओवर Gram Sabha works over several Gram Panchayats. Gram Sabha works over several Gram Panchayats. Second, Gram Panchayats are member of Gram Sabha. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? ग्राम सभा वर्क्स ओवर सेवरल ग्राम पंचायत. ग्राम सभा जो था वो ग्राम पंचायत में वर्क करते हैं. सेकेंड, ग्राम पंचायत जो होते हैं इज द मेंबर ऑफ ग्राम सभा. ठीक है. थर्ड, ग्राम सभा कंट्रोल्स and approve the spending of money Gram Sabha control and approve the spending of money received from the government. Gram Sabha works over several Gram Panchayats. Gram Panchayats are member of Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha control and approve the spending of money received from the government. So this is the answer of the question number 3. Please write it down, this answer. और टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट चिल्ड्रन. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. आगे बढ़े. Moving to the question number 4. Write down the question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 है, take an example of any one task. Take an example of any one task done by a panchayat. Take an example of any one task done by a panchayat in your areas. Or nearby. Take an example of any one task done by a panchayat. Take an example of any one task done by a panchayat in your areas, nearby rural area, and find out the following. Take an example of any one task done by a panchayat in your areas or nearby rural area and find out the following. आपको कोई एग्जाम्पल देना है, कोई भी टास्क जो कि पंचायत करता है आपके एरियाज में या नियर बाई रूरल एरिया में, और आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. क्या क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट 4 थिंग्स आर हियर. दिस इज बेसिकली अ क्वेश्चन. आप समझ रहे हो आपको क्या करना है? टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. को एक एग्जाम्पल लेना है कोई भी टास्क का जो कि पंचायत करती है आपके एरिया में या नियर बाई आपके आसपास कोई विलेज हो उस एरिया में, और आपको ये चीज़ें फाइंड आउट करनी है. क्या करनी है? वाई इट वॉज टेकन अप, ये क्यों हो रहा है? वेयर द मनी कम्स फ्रॉम, why it was taken up, where the money comes from, whether or not the work has been completed. Okay, so the 3 things you have to discuss. Why it was taken up, ये क्यों हुआ, ये टास्क क्यों लिया गया, मनी इसके लिए कहाँ से आता है, एंड थर्ड, whether or not the work has been completed. Whether or not the work has been completed. Whether or not the work has been completed. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है. डन. नाउ राइट डाउन द आंसर. Very quickly you should write down the answers also. Okay, now one thing, इसका आंसर आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करूँगी. So this is for all today of this video. I just hope whatever the things I had discussed with you children, you are understanding. आपको समझ में आ रहा है. तो probably the overall two question I had discussed with you in this video. Like what is the link between a Gram Sabha and a Gram Panchayat, and what problem did the villagers in Hardas village face, and what did they do for the solution of this problem. Now the answer of this particular question which I have written over here, I will discuss with you in the next video. Okay? I hope children you are understanding the thing. Thank you so much for carefully watching this video. Thank you.